this session, you will be able to define ratio and proportion, and you will be able to express the ratio in its simplest form, and able to compare two ratios, and be able to compare if given numbers are in proportion or not. Definition of a ratio. Ratio. The ratio of two quantities of same kind in the same unit is the fraction that one quantity is of the other. The ratio A is to B is the fraction A divided by B, written as A is to B. Terms of a ratio. In the ratio A is to B, we call A as the first term or antecedent and B as the second term or consequent. For example, in the ratio 3 is to 4, the first term or antecedent is 3 and the second term or consequent is 4. Properties of a ratio. A ratio remains unchanged if both terms are multiplied by the same non-zero quantity. Both terms is nothing but numerator and denominator. If A divided by B is a ratio, when we are multiplying with M numerator and also B, then A is to B is equal to MA is to MB. Similarly, A is to B is equal to A divided by M divided by B divided by M. Therefore, A is to M is nothing but A by M is to B by M. So, when we are dividing with a constant value with both, the ratios will remain same. Ratio in the simplest form. The ratio A is to B is said to be in simplest form if HCF of A and B is 1. So, if there are no other common factors apart from 1, then we call the ratio is the simplest form. For example, here 6 divided by 3 can be written as 2 divided by 1. So, this is called as a simplest form. Proportion. Proportion is a mathematical comparison between two numbers. According to proportion, if two sets of the given numbers are increasing or decreasing in the same ratio, then the ratios are said to be directly proportional to each other. Proportions are denoted using the key symbol, 4 dots, nothing but equal. So A is to B is proportional to C is to D. Then A, B, C, D are respectively known as a first term, second term, third term, the fourth term. A and B are called as a extremes. B and C are called as a means. Always product of extremes is equal to product of means. That means A into D is equal to B into C. D is called as a fourth proportional to A, B, C. Second one. If A is to B is equal to B is to C, then we say A, B, C are in continued proportion. C is called as a third proportional to A and B and fourth proportional to A, B, B. It implies A divided by B is equal to B divided by C as C is the third proportion. So, B square is equal to AC. It implies B is the square root of AC. Thank you.